Constant bloating, midday fatigue, and persistent brain fog are often treated as separate, random annoyances. They are actually linked signals originating from the same biological source. Your digestive tract is home to roughly 40 trillion bacteria. This microscopic ecosystem, your gut microbiome, acts as the control center for your digestion, your immune response, and your daily energy levels. We are moving past the general theory of gut health and building a specific, actionable recovery plan to support these microbes. Right now, open the Notes app on your phone or grab a physical pen and a piece of paper. You need to build this schedule alongside the video. By the end of this video, you will have a customized 24-hour daily routine that begins rebuilding your microbiome diversity within days. First, check your baseline. Look at this checklist: frequent bloating, irregular digestion, intense sugar cravings, fatigue, skin issues, frequent colds, and mood swings. If you checked 2 or more, your microbiome is signaling distress. It needs structured intervention to return to balance. To begin your protocol, write down the word morning at the top of your page. Your first task upon waking is drinking a glass of warm water. This hydrates and supports the mucus lining of your intestines, which serves as the physical barrier protecting your beneficial bacteria. Next, schedule a breakfast rich in soluble fiber, like oats or apples. Fiber is the fuel source good bacteria ferment to produce the compounds that repair your gut wall. A critical warning: do not increase your fiber intake all at once. Jumping from low fiber to 30 grams in a single day creates a fermenting backlog that causes severe bloating. The first phase of your planner is set. Hydrate the lining with warm water, then provide the microbial fuel with fiber. This morning protocol primes your gut environment to process the rest of the day's nutrients without triggering an inflammatory response. Now, create the midday section on your planner. For lunch, we follow the diversity rule. Aim for 30 different plant foods a week. Consuming a wide variety of vegetables, nuts, and seeds ensures you are feeding a wide variety of bacterial strains rather than just a few. You will also include 1 serving of fermented food, like kimchi or yogurt. These act as a direct delivery system, depositing live, beneficial bacteria into your digestive tract to bolster your existing colonies. Beyond the ingredients, we have to address the mechanics. Digestion is a multi-stage process that is designed to begin in the mouth through the action of saliva and thorough chewing. When you eat rapidly while distracted by a screen, you swallow large, unrefined food particles that sit in the gut. By putting the phone down and chewing slowly, you allow your enzymes to do their job properly. Your midday protocol is locked. Prioritize a colorful plate for diversity, add fermented cultures, and slow down your eating pace. Increasing the variety of plants you eat while slowing your digestion speed directly improves microbial variety, the single most important marker. Add your final section, titled Evening and All Day. First, incorporate a daily 30-minute brisk walk. This low-impact movement mechanically stimulates the smooth muscles of the colon, keeping your digestion moving and preventing stagnation. Use this section to track 1 daily food swap. Trading an ultra-processed snack for a whole grain reduces the inflammatory inputs that kill off good bacteria. Now we must address the lifestyle factor that can override a perfect diet: chronic stress. This is the vagus nerve, the physical communication highway from your brain to your digestive organs. Under chronic stress, it sends signals that degrade your gut lining, allowing inflammatory markers to leak through. This toxic environment makes daily meditation a biological necessity. Finally, prioritize consistent sleep. Your gut bacteria follow their own circadian rhythm. Disrupting your sleep cycle throws their activity out of balance. Your 24-hour routine is now complete: the walk, the swaps, stress management, and sleep. If you do not manage the stress signals traveling through the vagus nerve, your body will break down the intestinal lining faster than your diet can repair it. You now have a complete evidence-based roadmap to take control of your gut health. However, most people fail because they try to implement all 10 changes tomorrow morning. This leads to burnout and a quick return to old habits. Look at your written list and circle only 2 or 3 items to focus on for the first week. Once those become automatic, add the next 2. Comment below with the single specific step you are choosing to start with tomorrow morning. A single, consistent change today sets off a chain reaction. Within days, these small adjustments begin to stabilize your microbiome and restore your natural energy levels.